Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to ride a bike. So before starting, you should get proper riding gears for yourself, which are gloves, riding boots, knee guards, a riding jacket and of course a helmet. So here I have with me the R15 V3, which I wouldn't recommend to beginner riders because it's very sporty. The seating posture is very aggressive for beginner riders. So power wise it's perfect. You can either go for the MT15 or the Apache, like naked bikes, so which are comfortable to learn on. So on the left we have the clutch and the gear shifter, and on the right we have the front brake and the rear brake. So always hop onto your bike from the left because the stand is on the left, so it's easier to sit. So I'll make you all familiar with the switches of the bike. This is the upper dipper, these are the indicators, this is the horn. This is your ignition and this is the engine kill switch. So the first thing you do after sitting on your bike is turn the ignition on. So once your ignition is on, you'll notice that the bike is in neutral. So like I said, this is the engine kill switch. Now if your switch is on, it won't, if you press the power start, your bike won't start. So what you should do is press the engine kill switch, turn it off and then power start and your bike will start. So if you're not familiar with the gears, first comes neutral, and then if you shift down it will come first, up is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It's basically one down, all up, 6 gears in a bike. Up. Then put your leg on the foot peg, hold the clutch, turn on your bike and then shift down to first gear. And without, see, the thing is you need to understand clutch control in a bike, that is very important. So without giving any throttle, if you leave the clutch slowly, you'll notice that the bike is going ahead. But if you leave your clutch very fast, like all of a sudden, then this will happen. You'll stall your bike. So if you do this a couple of times, don't worry, it's not going to harm your bike. What you should do is shift to neutral again and then start all over again. Most beginner riders face problems with the clutch only. So once you master that, riding a bike is nothing. So press the clutch, shift to first and slowly leave the clutch. You need to find the sweet spot of the clutch, and if you do that, you're already halfway there. So once you get your bike rolling, next is to shift to second gear. So without giving any throttle, you can see the bike is moving on clutch speed. So you just give a little bit throttle and your bike will go forward.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
Now you, after reaching a certain RPM, like 3-4 RPM, 3000 or 4000 RPM, you should press the clutch again and shift up to second and leave the clutch and give a little bit throttle and your bike will keep going. And now what I want you to do is stop and repeat everything once again. You need to get familiar with the clutch, only then move forward to third, fourth, fifth and sixth gear. And always remember, every time you're shifting gears up or down, you have to let go of the throttle. Stop giving throttle, otherwise your bike will just jerk and you might fall as a beginner rider. So you're on first, you start the bike, let go of the throttle second and then give throttle again. Then press the clutch, shift to third and give throttle again. to downshift, you have to do the same thing but opposite. You let go of the throttle, shift down and leave the clutch. Shift down, leave the clutch. Always remember not to leave your clutch on the first gear when your bike is standing, because then your bike will stall. So always when your bike is in first gear and you stop, shift up to neutral and turn the kill switch off. So that's pretty much it guys, a beginner's tutorial on how to ride a bike. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her.